Case K-Guard of Central Ohio, a local family-owned business specializing in seamless, custom-made gutter systems installed on their site by their expert team.
So the K-Guard gutter system works on reverse curve technology. It's the same concept that if you took a bottle and you stuck it underneath the faucet on your kitchen sink, the water is going to follow the curvature of the bottle. You have 2 points of entry for water to go into our gutter system, one in the front and one in the back. Now the hood is fully removable too, which is great because in the event that it's ever damaged, we can replace just the hood of the gutter. We don't have to replace the entire gutter system. So the warranties that K-Guard gutters offer are the gutter system is guaranteed to never clog for life. In the event that the gutter would ever clog, which it won't, we would come out and we would take care of that for you for free as far as removing that clog. We also warranty that the gutter will never pull away or separate from your home. We have patented hangers inside of the gutter system that we hang every 24 inches. And because of that, the gutter screws directly into the fascia board, will be hitting your rafter tails, and you could literally go up and do chin-ups on this gutter and it will not come off of your home. All of our clients and homeowners are blown away by the added curb appeal to the home. You can see here how nice the gutter system looks. It really does give the appearance of having crown molding on your home. So the best time to get your gutters replaced is ideally in the spring, because over the winter you may have had ice buildup in your gutters. Your gutters are now pulling away from your house. We can be reached at 614-769-5615. You can call or text that number. You can also reach us at our website at www.kguardcentralohio.com.